Hi everyone, I'm Merlinda Vihonyo from Bachelor of Elementary Education, Block 1. So now I will explain the importance of ecosystem. So what is the importance of ecosystem? The importance of ecosystem, it provides habitat to wild plants and animals because it promotes various food chains in food webs. It controls essential ecological process and promote lives. Involve the recycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. Ecosystem components. The structure of ecosystem consists of two major components such as biotic components and abiotic components. The biotic components include all the living things. We have two major types of living things, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. And the second is abiotic components. The abiotic components include all the non-living things such as rocks, soil, minerals, water, sources, and the local atmosphere similar to biotic components. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystem, because the ecosystem is contain biotic or living parts as well as abiotic factors or non-living parts. An ecosystem must contain producers, consumers, decomposers, and inorganic matter. So the ecosystem, all ecosystems need energy from an external source. This is usually the sun. Producers make food from inorganic matter. Ecosystem produce oxygen, purify and detoxify the air and water, store and cycle fresh water, regulate the climate, form topsoils, prevent erosions, influde damage and produce raw materials, foods and medicines. Most of these ecosystem service cannot be replaced by human technology at any cost. So now, what are the three reasons why ecosystems are very important? So the goods and services they provide are vital, sustaining well-being and to future economic and social development. Because the benefits ecosystem provide include food, water, timber, air, purification, soil formation, and pollination. So, what is the main of ecosystem? The main of ecosystems: plants, animals, insects, microorganisms, rocks, soil, water, and sunlight. Because these are major components of many ecosystems, all types of ecosystem fall into one of two categories: terrestrial or aquatic. So we have two importance of ecosystem. First, to purify the air so we can breathe properly. And the second is sequester carbon for climate regulation. Because this is cycle nutrients, so we have access to clean drinking water without costly infrastructure and pollinate our crops so we don't go hungry. So the ecosystem is important because it provides space to plants and animals to interact with each other, as well as their physical environment. Through interaction, they are interdependent on each other for their environment. The ecosystem is very important to our daily life because the healthy terrestrial ecosystem are vital for human welfare and survival as they provide us with essential products and benefits. Because we have over 90% of our food comes from terrestrial ecosystem which also provide energy, building material class, medicine, fresh and clean water, and clear air. So, as long as we are on our ecosystem, we can help each other maintain its state like we can protect by doing something. Those are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you threw away. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. Educate. Conserve water. Choose sustainable. Shop wisely. Use long-lasting light and plant tree. So, the ecosystem is very important because ecosystems are interdependent. Thank you.